Hello, welcome once again. In this video, we will add some admin functionalities in our app. And in the previous section and in the previous video, we have completed the reservation process all the way from selecting the start and end destination, selecting the departure date. Then our customer will be able to select one of the schedules. Then our customer will select the seats, then go to the confirm booking page and provide some information like name, mobile number and email address, and then if he presses the confirm booking button, the reservation will be placed. So in this process, we have used some data that will be preloaded or that will be pre-exist in our system, like the bus information, the route information, the schedule information, and it's admin's responsibility to add this information before user actually can use our app. And I have already added some pages as well as some functionalities. As you can see that we have already a dryer, a navigation dryer in the search page. In the search app bar, we have a dryer icon, and if I click this icon, a navigation dryer actually pops up from the left of the screen, and we have some options over here. So I have added these sections. These sections actually don't need any explanations because these are very simple things, and all these pages like add page, add route page, add schedule page, these pages are very much similar because all we have inside these pages are some bunch of input fields where admin can actually input information about the bus, the routes and the schedules. But I'm going to go through each of the new items that I have already added, and of course in the resource section you can download the project that we have done in the previous video. Up to that portion you can have the project, and you can go to the research section and you can download and start from exactly where I will start from now. So if you go to the pages folder inside our lib folder, I have added few pages like add bus page, add route page, add schedule page, and a page that is called reservation page and a login page. So these are 5 pages that I have added, and I have also added a new dirt file inside the dryers section, that is a main dryer. And if I open that dirt file, all you can see is main dryer is actually a stateless widget, and from the build function we are actually returning a dryer widget. So what you are seeing here actually a dryer widget, and this dryer widget have a child list view. So this portion is a list view. So if you add more items, that will be scrollable as well. And inside this list view we have a container, and that portion is a container, and that will be used to show some information like you can actually show the name of the app, or you can actually show the name of the user. If you provide user registration and user login, then you can show the user information here. But normally in this situation you can actually show the app logo and the app name. So this is what we call a header section for the dryer, and the rest are actually some bunch of list styles. So as you can see, there is a list style, this is a list style. So all these are list style items, and in the list style we have a title, a leading. So this is leading actually an icon. The title is the title of this portion or this item, and also all the list tile widget have an on tap function. By clicking we actually navigate to the corresponding page. For example, if I now click this portion, add bus portion, we will first we'll just pop the drawer first and then go to the route name bus page. We'll go to the add bus page by using the route name add bus page that is coming from the constant.dart file. And now if I click this section, so this is the add bus section, and as you can see, it's nothing but a bunch of text field, a drop down list where admin can select what type of bus he is going to add, and then he has to provide a bus name, a bus number, and total seats for that bus. And if he clicks this add bus, then this information we will collect and create a bus object and add this bus object in the database. And in our case, we will simply add this bus object in the tempdb table bus list. So I have only created these widgets like add bus and add route. As you can see, you can select the from and end destination and the distance in kilometer, and if you press the add route, then the route will be added in the table route list. And we have also add a schedule section. When admin wants to add a new schedule, first of all he needs to select the bus and the route also, and then others information like the ticket price, discount, and processing fee, and also a departure time. So we worked with the date picker dialog, and here we are using a time picker dialog. As you can see, this is actually a time picker dialog which works almost similarly as the date picker dialog. So this is the only widget that might be new for you, but I will go through this section as well. And of course, if I press this button, nothing will happen other than validating the from. And these things we will be adding, like if I go to the add bus page, as you can see, we have everything. Like we have the controllers, we have the from key, we have designed everything, we have taken the text from field, etc. And in the add schedule or add bus button, if I go to the add bus button, so this will be the function that will be called when this button will be pressed. And after pressing this button, we are actually creating a bus object. And after that, I left it empty because I will add, or I will call the corresponding methods from the data source. First of all, I need to pass this object to the app data provider class, and from there I will call corresponding data source method so that this bus can be added to the database. So I have left the logical part. I have actually built the widget so that we can save some time, and trust me, you will find nothing new in these pages rather than some widgets like time picker dialog. And I will discuss that time picker dialog when we actually work with the add schedule page. And one more page we have in our drawer, that is a view reservation, and I didn't do anything with this page because we need to do a little more stuffs, you can say new stuffs, to show the reservations. And we will fetch all the reservations because admin may want to see how many reservations have been made by the customers. So in this page we will actually show all the reservations, and also this page will consist a search box where admin input the mobile number of the customer, and so that he can see only the reservations made by one particular customer. And if I go to the slideshow, so this will be actually our reservation list. Our reservation page will look something like this. So we'll have all reservation items, but a bit different because each of these items will be expandable, and we will use the expansion panel list and expansion panel for that. And that's why I actually left this reservation page completely empty. So we will build this page from scratch because we are going to learn new things and new widgets by constructing this page. So we have another page like login page, and this login page also I didn't do anything with this login page, and we will construct this login page as well. And this is the page where admin actually will log in with some predefined credentials. So these are the pre-built or the pre-made pages or UIs that I have built and included in the in a RAR file, the project that has been previously done up to that mark. And you can, of course, when you start this portion or this admin portion, you will unzip or unrar that project and start working with that. You will find everything in that project, all the new pages and also the drawer. And one thing before I finish this video, how I was able to show this icon in the search page, and that's very simple. We have created the main drawer.dart file, and this drawer can be shown in any page you want. By now I'm only showing this drawer in the search page. If I go to the next page like the search result page, the drawer is not here. Even in the seed plan page or any other page I go, there is no way to click that or open the drawer directly. So if you want to open the drawer, you want to go back to the search page, and now you will be able to see the hamburger icon here and click and open the drawer. And to do that, it is very simple. Just go to the search page. Just go to the search page, and in the scaffold there is an argument called drawer, and you just pass the drawer or the main drawer class, and that's it. So in whatever pages you want to show your user or admin this drawer, all you need to do is go to that page, find the scaffold, and use the drawer argument and pass the main drawer. In many apps, there are multiple drawers based on multiple screens. Perhaps you want to show a drawer in the search page that is related to search. In another page, you might want to show another drawer that is specific to that page. In that case, you have to create multiple drawer class like this and pass the corresponding drawer objects in the scaffold drawer argument. So in the next video, we'll be working on each of this page. But before I start working on the add bus, add route, and add schedule page, in the next lecture, I will work with this view reservation page. That means the reservation page, because in this page, we are going to learn some new things, and because we have our reservations, we are able to add reservations now. So we have a bunch of reservations, so it's time to show these reservations in the reservation page. So see you in the next video. We'll be learning how we can build a list that is expandable.